Amazing return. I just hit $112,000. Take a look this coin right here, iMe Lab, provide me $36,000. Yes, the volume today is $39 million. How I find this coin? Buy volume spike plus buy a power. Take a look this iMe Lab, position rank 767. If you go down here, right here, on March 13, the volume of this coin was $200,000 and volume pump to 3.6 million. That's what I'm talking about. Before the pump and price, there is the pre-pump volume. That's what my soft is tracking 24/7. So I'm lab, guys. I shared this trade in the private list right here on March 13, right after pump. We bought this coin for 2 cents. 0.028 and you put a sell order at 13 cents. 370%, I made $36,000. Guys, take a look at those coins I shared in the private list on the last 5 days. We trade NULS, iMe, Onizen, Polymesh, Mantra, Tornado Cash, Solana, Hype Gains, $112,000. Guys, Solana, exactly the same strategy, guys. Like to say welcome to our new members, Larry, Justin, Scott, and Pamela. Guys, Solana, volume spike plus buy power. Let's go. Volumes, Solana, position rank, the 5th. Right here, February 25, the volume was 1.2 billion and volume pumped to 3.9 billion dollars. Yes, billion, B as a boy, billion dollars, my friend. So Solana, I shared this trade in the private list and I made $8,000. Was good amount. Take a look right here, right after the pump on February 27. We bought this coin for 111 and you put a sell order at 200 bucks. I made 79% profit. I share all my trades in the private list. All you gotta do is to copy my trades, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. And remember, we can trade for you and provide you 25% per week, guys. It's a immense returns. Also, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. We track them 24/7, okay? Develop the software to track the crypto market and you'll be very successful. Take a look how many coins I share in the private list on the last week, guys. This is insane. Take a look how many. We are tracking 3,000 coins, guys. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a beautiful day.